Folks, back in North Shore, this is one of the typical touristy things to do when you're in North Shore. You know, there are those trucks that sell food of all kinds. Like this one is shave ice, root beer, float, waffle. So you can do that. Or you have a little more options over there. This is popular, guys. This is called kind of shrimp, crepes, and there's fish tacos over there. This place gets packed. Right now, it's okay. We were here, I think 2-3 days ago. I kid you not, man. You can't even get a spot. You can begin to see how packed it's gonna get here. So I think they mostly sell shrimp with rice, cash only basis. I'll have some garlic shrimp. And it goes on. Something to do.